Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing very good and hope you all had very good, happy and great Diwali. So let's get started with the video. So today I will be talking about three different products from the same brand, but one by one. Like in one video I will be telling you about face wash, and another one I will tell you about the Dead Sea mask and scrub. So let's get started. Before starting the video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so that you can get notifications for my video. So let's get started. So the face wash we will be talking about is from the brand named as Face Tea. I got it from Amazon. It's easily available on Amazon and Flipkart. So the name is Face Tea. Like their Instagram handle is named as Face Tea, but when you search for the product you have to search like chauth and Nagsan. So this is how this face wash looks like. This face wash is a Dead Sea mud, you can see, and they have very nice and good products. Like they do not use any chemicals in it. So I really like this thing that there are no chemicals in it. I will show you their Instagram as well, from where I got to know about it as usual. Or like more often it happens like I got to know about any brand from Instagram. So let me show you. This is how this face wash looks like. So the key ingredients of this face wash is aqua, for lauryl glucoside, coco oil glucoside, cocamidopropyl butane, glycerine, aloe. Like basically, let me tell you the simple ones: aloe vera gel, sea salt. Sea salt is basically like dead minerals, like we get in the sea, dead minerals we get in the sea. So it is the mud made up of that minerals. And how you have to use it is you just have to take a small amount in your hand, like few drops you can say, and then it's a general process, like wet your face and apply it and blah blah blah, which is very common and everybody is doing that. So this is how you have to use it. And then before trying every product you should do a sample test, like whether it suits you or not. So always do a patch test before using it. So this is how the basic things about it. But now let me tell you, we do double cleansing nowadays. So what I do is I use it for the first time and then I use something else. So it clears all the dust and dirt from your face. Like most of the time whenever I apply it, I tried like this thing basically to check whether it works, how well it works. So I do check like that for every face wash. What I did, I washed my face once with this one, and then I apply, like I cleansed my face with astringent. So you won't get any dirt on that astringent swab. So it's very good, like it cleanses your face in one go. And the best part, I always tell you that always use paraben free products and all these which are non carcinogenic. So again, this product is doesn't contains any parabens, phthalates or like petrolatums or SLS. So this is really very good. And this particular pack weight is like it's a 200 ml pump bottle. I really like the concept of pump because it keeps it very hygienic and clean. You just have to pump it like this and use it. So this is something really good. So this 200 ml bottle costs you rupees 599, but you can get it at good discount, or maybe you can also get a combo of 3 products in which you get it in very good way. Like you get with very good discount in that that type of box. So you can purchase that as well, because their rest 2 products are also very good. So its shelf life is 2 years. So some of you may find it little costly, but like it will last very long. You don't need to use so much on your skin. So I think this is a good deal. Like we use general I think like Lakme or other Lotus face washes are almost of the same cost, if we compare with the weight or like this type of packaging. So I think you can use it. Like this is something I really like about this particular brand. So I hope you people will If you guys find it useful, then please do subscribe or comment below and like this video. And that's it for this video. I will be making another video of next 2 products, so stay tuned for rest of videos and press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Bye bye, take care.